Hi, welcome to the Gourmet Chef. My name is Abdul Sami. Today I'll be making banana muffins with walnuts. Let's get started with the recipe. We have 1 cup of banana crushed. To that we're going to add 5 eggs. Half a cup of brown sugar packed. Half a cup of white sugar. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. And now we are going to mix. To the mixture we are going to add 1 cup of oil. And add the dry ingredients. 1.5 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix again. We are going to add half a cup of walnuts and 2 tablespoons of blackcurrants. You can either omit or add these. I personally love these in my muffins, so I'm gonna add them. Fold and incorporate. We are going to pipe our butter into the lined muffin tray. Just fill them 2/3 of the way. The time and temperature for these muffins would be 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Our muffins are now ready. Very fluffy and very soft. I'll just take one out and show you how they are from the inside. How beautiful is this texture? If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. See you in the next one.